Yo, what's good? Just came back from work and the trap was jumping. Let's just say that. People got money and they're willing to spend it. I don't even know where to begin. It is 8:17. This is the first time I picked up this camera. So we're gonna have a little story time. We're not gonna go through, I got a protein shake right now. We're gonna go through a little story time, the stuff I experienced, how if I was a beginner, that stuff that I experienced would have destroyed me, destroyed my prep, the importance of water. So just hang tight. I'm gonna talk to you. Hold on. What's good? This is just off the cuff, not planned. I'm just gonna walk you through my day, and so that it adds value and that we learn some things from, you know, what we typically experience as people, as a community, as a group. We all experience these things. So let's get started. I woke up this morning pretty early, had to get some content done, had to run around, go to the grocery store, grab water, and just take care of things in the morning. And I didn't have time or the motivation plus the time to go for a bike ride, right? Knowing that I need an hour there and back, and then the time I need to recuperate, and then plus I have to be at work by 1 o'clock. And so as I was deciding to go for a bike ride, or whether to go or not, it was 10 o'clock. And so I didn't go for a bike ride. I thought it would be the better decision not to, and then just go tomorrow, right? And have this be my rest day. And so I want to talk about that first, right? Second, I only had one thing for food today. I had one salad this morning that I brought to work at around 1 o'clock and didn't eat any food until right now. I'm about to eat at 8:30. And so we'll talk about that gap between 1 p.m. and 8 p.m. and how I believe it's more important to have water in those moments than it is to have food, right? If you have to choose one or the other, would I rather meal prep and have food and no water? And so I had water and not food. All right, first off, switch. Oh, 1 second. So save the house from burning down. So I had, what are we talking about? I talk about skipping your days at first. So a lot of people are like, yo, what if I can't get to it today? Can I just do it tomorrow? And it's like, yes and no, right? If you have the time and you just don't have the energy, you just don't feel like it, then I would say just go. Just get it done. Doesn't matter how you feel. But if you're running low on time and you have like a lot of stuff to do, and it's going to be a cram or it's going to be something that's not going to be efficient in your day, then I would say absolutely, right? But if you're just like, I don't feel like going, it's like, no, go, okay? I'm trying to look at the camera over here and not look at you guys over here, or myself. So that's one thing, depending on what is the reason that you're skipping or switching your days. And then two, I've been at work twice, so 2 days in a row. One day I had food, but didn't have a lot of water. This day I had a bunch of water, no food, and I prefer it that way because when you don't eat, if you guys have been watching the series, when you don't drink enough water throughout the day, you then are really hungry. You want anything, chips, cookies, cakes, even if it's good food, you're gonna overeat and binge eat because you're so hungry. Most likely that's how it works for me. And when I'm not hydrated is when there's a problem. So I'd rather be hydrated with no food and fasting than to have food and not be hydrated. Water is number one over food if we gotta choose. Water is the most important. You can only go a couple of days without water. You can go a lot longer without food. So that's pretty much it. Those are the two topics I want to discover, like skipping or rescheduling your gym session or your workout session, and the reason, like if it's because you're busy, then cool. If it's because you just don't want to, not good enough a reason. And then having water is more important than having your food prep. If you can just drink and fast, you actually will do better that way than trying to like get some fruit and then trying to like get something in. So have water and always do your workout unless you have to reschedule it because you're low on time. Number three, about to eat food right now. I'm gonna show you my salad. We just had a protein shake, make some content, wake up, off tomorrow, and so we'll be able to get a little bit more normalcy back into the vlogs. But we're moving right along. We're on vlog 30 something, and we're literally just getting started. We got supplements to buy. We got routines to go to. We got agility to add. I'm just getting acclimated to my work schedule. But we're back. We're back. So that was my day. And now I'm about to finish it. So I'll show you my food. And that's it. This is the vlog. Nothing too fancy today. Was at the trapping. So, yeah, let's eat.